Well, as you heard there, if there's one group of investors smiling in 2016, it's gold lovers. Now, despite some rebalancing Monday, gold prices have been increasing over the last few months. CCTV's Shraysi Tandon reports.
It's the yellow metal that is back in vogue. Gold tends to shine brightest during times of economic stress.
The proliferation of negative interest rates across the world is one of the main drivers. Related to that, I think investors have shifted their expectations about the Fed hikes. They're much lower now, and also there is this understanding on, and it's a fearful thought that investors believe that the central banks don't have any other way to go.
Gold is seen as a safe haven during deflationary times and also rapid inflationary times.
In a deflationary scenario, we will see more negative interest rates, more devaluation of currencies, and thus interest in gold. And in an inflationary scenario, we may see rates going higher, but as a response or a reply to the inflation, and that inflation will spark interest in gold as well.
Some experts believe that the recent gains in gold are also related to the steady decline in oil prices.
Oil prices have assumed the role of a deflationary indicator. When they go down, and for good reason, because there's a lot of the world that are oil producers, and that part of the world is in trouble, big trouble, deflationary trouble.
According to the World Gold Council, China was one of the largest consumers of gold last year. Consumer demand was up 3% in the fourth quarter compared to a year earlier. And demand for gold coins was also up 25%.
The Chinese are mining gold right now at what is almost certainly a loss to them. In other words, they're mining very low-grade ore, which probably costs them, I would guess, $1,500 to mine. And they are also encouraging, really encouraging their public to own as much gold as they possibly can. So the Chinese believe very strongly gold is going higher.
It could go to 1,350, 1,400 by the end of the year, but in the longer term, I even see it like making new highs and going as far as 3,000 to 5,000.
Whether it's falling oil prices, negative interest rates, or a weakening dollar, it seems the market has enough worries these days to keep investors flocking to all that glitters. That is gold. Shraysi Tandon, CCTV, New York.